Capital investment projects are investment of important organizational resources to develop, improve, and/or renew an asset, and thus generate a flow of funds for long periods of time. They enhance business opportunity into profits. They create a value that justifies the costs and risks assumed. The value generated by the project can be measured in different ways: through the net present value, the internal rate of return, the ROA, or if we do it under the project modality, through the gross margin of the same. If we develop the capital investment project through the modality of the project, we must have under control the three main variables of the same: the cost, the deadline, and the scope with the expected quality. The essential purpose of a project is to create value. The success of it is measured by the added value it generates for the organization, for the market, or for the community. The project risk is measured by the deterioration of the expected value to be generated by the end. It is understood as project risk to any variation with respect to the expected value, and in the most extreme cases is not to achieve expected value at the maximum. According to the IPA, projects on average generate 22% of the expected net present value. The projects have two clearly differentiated stages: the maturity of the value and the execution of the value. The first is where uncertainties for the creation of the value are reduced as the investment is executed. During their execution, the project loses value. The causes of these deviations are different, but we can regroup them into three: because of the inadequate development of definitions, as a consequence of the work methodology within the framework of the project, for the increase of uncertainties in the area of its development. And the first one, it is necessary to work on the definitions at the stage of maturation of value, not at the stage of execution. In the second, we must focus on the result of a business and not only on the project. And in the third, incorporating and interrelating all interested parties in the strategy. But all this is in a context of lower returns than in the past, creates a change in the business model as we see its development in the last year, and that we understand from our experience that the integral management of the project provides the solutions to this new model.